Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a haul, and it's a collective haul. I went to Aldi's, Whole Food, and the Asia market. Now I'm trying to get my life all the way together as far as the eating. You know, I was pescatarian for a while, and I also transitioned back into starting to incorporate chicken and turkey, but not as much, and haven't been feeling it as much, but I've always been falling back on my salmon, shrimps, and seafoods and stuff like that, which we know that's not the best for you as well. Fresh fish is the way to go if you're going to be pescatarian, because the fish with the shells and the shellfish and all that stuff is really not too good, because they say they hold parasites and all of that other stuff. But hey, everything is so much stuff out there, and you just don't know what's in what these days. But if you can try to make a healthy alternative or healthy changes, that's great as well. So let's start with over here. These organic Bartlett pears. Listen, I just bought some the other day. It's only 2 left. When I tell you, I rinse these off, and how I like to rinse mine off is I would put just a little bit of Dawn dish liquid and hot water and vinegar in the sink, and I kind of rub them off with this silicone sponge that I have. That's how I wash my things that have skins like this. And I rinse them and dry them off really good. Then I have a mango. I just bought those. Mind you, it was about the same amount as this, and it's literally 2 left. And when I say they are so soft and so juicy, they are so good. So I've been trying to incorporate more fruits in my diet. In the refrigerator now, I have some cherries, some dark cherries. I have some grapes, some red grapes, and I have some strawberries that are already clean and just sitting in the refrigerator. Let me show you. Like that, and I just put them on napkins, and we just reach in, grab some, and eat them. Now Tom is here. And for those of y'all who don't know who Tom is the time of the month for the women, okay? So yeah, I be craving some sweets. So I got me these, and I shared these with y'all before. They are so good if you like coconut or the taste of coconut. Even if you don't, and you like that butter cookie, crunchy cookie, shortbread cookie type of cookie, listen, great. And they're thin, and it's not, a really heavy cookie that you're going to be eating. I haven't tried these ones, but I can tell you guys, I will do an update on letting you know how these taste when I taste these. But I love the fact that they have no hydrogenated oils, peanut free, no corn syrup, no artificial ingredients, and real chocolate. And the same thing with this, real toasted coconut, no corn syrup, and no artificial ingredients. So that's why I like getting a lot of stuff from Aldi. We have some nice green seedless grapes. It's so hard to find seeded. I went to Whole Foods to look for a watermelon. All I had was seedless, and I'm like, how is it organic and it's seedless? Come on, please make that make sense. I don't get it. So Rizzy was saying she wanted to do balsamic. She wants to look into eating healthier as well. So I got that for her. She said something about this with strawberries or something. I don't know, something she's seen on TikTok or somewhere. So yeah. Then I needed some more onions, and I didn't look at these too tough. This one don't look too good, but it's still firm. It's not soft, so I know it's good. So I got onions. I got some orange juice, because I like to take my minerals in the morning with the orange juice. And I'm going to be doing some oil pulling. I had to move things closer. And with that being said, I hear a lot about coconut oil, but as I did my research to really go into getting knowledge about oil pulling, the original way to do oil pulling was with sesame oil. So make sure it's not roasted or toasted or anything like that. It's the white sesame oil, and oil pull with that. They say that is best and better than doing it with coconut oil. So I did it with coconut oil today, and even though I did eat a pear, and I actually had a Mexican wedding cookie, 2 of them from Whole Foods, because that time of month you be craving them sweets. And my teeth still feel like I just brushed my teeth. And if you have problems with cavities and have sensitive teeth, and you want your teeth whitened and all that good stuff, the oil pulling is the jam for that, and getting toxins out your body, clearing your sinus, asthma, eczema. Read into oil pulling. It is amazing. You take about a teaspoon to a tablespoon, it's up to you, and you just swish it around your mouth between 15 to 20 minutes, 3 times a day. And if you can do it every day, that's even better, but at least 3 times a week. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that along with Rizzy and Naya. And I seen these a couple times in Whole Foods, never got them, and because I was craving some sweets, I said let me grab them. And yeah, no, but yeah, so made with natural flavors supposedly. And these are all the flavors that are in there, and these were from Whole Foods, so I got that. Got orange juice from Aldi's. The balsamic vinegar was from Aldi's, and I got some King wild caught salmon, and these are some big thick pieces of salmon. Yeah, I know, guys, but the thing is, I'm not going to be eating a meat or whatever you want to call it, a protein every day. So, and I'm going to cut the portions down smaller of what we eat and add more other things. So I got 2 pieces, and they are about a little over 8 ounces per piece, because it was 17, no, actually these are a pound a piece, almost a pound, because they were $17.99 a pound. So yeah, it's kind of expensive, but it's better for you to have the wild caught, and wild caught cost a lot more. Then I got some wild caught shell on blue shrimp, and I got a pound of those were on sale, and I got a little over a pound actually. They were $10.79 a pound, so I got those from Whole Foods. Now, oh, and I also got some organic golden potatoes from Aldi's. And then moving over here, I have these bad boys that I've been waiting to try, because I want to really get back into not incorporating any meat, and if so, to be like a vegan / pescatarian diet, probably maybe 20 to 30% vegan, and then maybe the other 75 to 80% be pescatarian. I don't know, still trying to figure it out, but still trying to make healthy options. So these are the oysters that vegans thrive about. They literally, is it thrive or rive or rave about? This is supposed to be the oyster that tastes like chicken. This is supposed to be the oyster mushroom that you could do so much with. And I have a friend who's vegan from back home, and he told me to find these. So I found them, and later on today we're going to talk, and he's going to tell me how to prepare these, because there's so many ways to prepare, and these are king oyster mushrooms. And I had to find these at an Asian market. Then I was going to get some Pears from there, but some of their stuff is expensive. I just think they extort us in these Asian markets. Like, some of the stuff is really expensive. This is a century pear. Never heard of it. I thought it was some type of apple. And I'm trying this for the first time. So I'm going to clean that off, put that in a fruit bowl, and me and Rizzy going to chop it up and eat it together. I just got one because I don't know how it tastes. Now I got the baby oyster mushrooms, and these are supposed to be good as well. I love mushrooms. Now, I know if you're following the alkaline diet and Dr. Sebi and stuff like that, mushrooms are like a fungus, and he says stay away from them and all that stuff, but I believe this is better because it grows from the ground than me eating a piece of steak or me eating a piece of pork. So yeah, just healthy alternatives. Do what's best for you. I'm trying to figure this out, and I've been doing this for years, and it's going to take some adjusting until I can find something that I know I can stick with for life, and not just jump in and out of it. Y'all hear that? So I got some coconuts, some dried coconuts, but they have the milk in them, and I'm so excited about that. And I think those was kind of high. Tell me if you could get coconuts in your area, how much are they? Because that was $2.59 per coconut. I got 2. And then I also got some red black plums. So we want to see how these come out as well. If they're juicy and sweet, we'll see. And they were $3.23, not so bad. So I got those from the Asian market. Then I got some limes, and it was 39 cents a piece, that I also got from the Asian market. Some nice green ones to put in my water. So I'm going to be making me a nice big cup of water to drink on until it's dinner time. It is about 1 something in the afternoon. And then I love these little bags for my trash cans. And if you guys didn't see the video I did about keeping the bags on your trash can so they won't fall with those rubber band thingies, check out that video on how to DIY how-tos and hacks, house hacks or something like that. You'll see how I keep my trash bags on my small trash cans, the little mini waste baskets, like for the office and the bathroom and stuff. I needed some Awesome. Awesome, if you don't know, is great for getting bugs off your car. If you have bugs on the front of your car, because I travel a lot, so I get a lot of bugs on the front of my car, that is good to get those bugs off your car. So I got some Awesome from Dollar Tree, and from the Asian market, I got 3 plantains. And when you're looking to get plantains, the best they say is the ones that are still firm like this, but have black, they're yellow with black on them. So these are like ready to be made. So I'll be making those this week. And that is my haul. If you guys have any questions about anything you see here, please let me know. I'm getting ready to make some more of my beet juice concoction. I will let you know. I don't know. I'll do a video if I decide to share. But I got beet juice and some beets and some carrots. I'm gonna make the beet juice, and that keeps us flowing, and it cleans you out, and it gives you energy. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So yeah. All right. So that is it. That's my mini haul, and I'm excited to get this stuff cleaned up and put away, and just relax until a little bit later. It's time for me to cook my salmon that I already have out. I have some. Now this salmon I got from Aldi. So, and this is on a nope, this ain't even the one. This is sockeye wild caught. This is some expensive salmon. This is really expensive. You see, even from Aldi's, look how much I'm paying. So if you're getting a good salmon, it's gonna cost you some money, especially when it's wild caught. Why? Because that's it's better for you than farm raised. So just so you know, that if you didn't know, anything wild caught when it comes to seafood is a thumbs up, versus farm raised. It's natural the way God intended it, and it's, you know, flourishing in its natural elements. So yeah, but yep, this is what we're having tonight with the spinach, and I think I might do golden potatoes. I was thinking about doing plantains, but I think I might just do some roasted potatoes with the spinach and the salmon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you join my family by subscribing and hit that bell button so you're notified every time I load a new video, and I will see you guys later.